Hi guys and gals, and welcome to Magic. This is going to be an extremely short video. I'm just going to show you how you can send an email from any HTTP endpoint you have in your Hyperlambda backend. Here, for instance, if I choose, for instance, ista-crm in HyperID, click status.delete.hl. Doesn't matter what endpoint you choose. Just give some space, Alt-V, SMTP. Click the mail.smtp.send thing, click Alt-S, and you're now sending an email. That took some 10 seconds, I think, and the video is done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Remember, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share the video with your friends. Of course, if you want to have expressions at .argument/*/subject, you can do the same with body. At .argument/*/body, or fetch the arguments from a dynamic file, or etc. The same, of course, with to email address and from email address. Now, for the record, you have to go into management and choose configuration, and you actually have to have an SMTP server here. As you can see, all the configuration settings are null here, so you'll need to have a valid SMTP setting in your configuration. Besides from that, it's 2 clicks, Alt-V. And if you don't want to use Alt-V, you can also do it on post 2. You can also, of course, choose actions, active file, insert snippet, SMTP. And I'm now sending an email from this endpoint too. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.